In front of me is SONY Xperia XA2, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once on this device. Begin by opening Album app. Now you need to hold one of your photos that you wish to get rid of, in my case this one, and click on those three dots at the top right corner. Then tap on Select All, and as you can see after that, all of my pictures were successfully selected. If you wish to exclude some of them, just click on the chosen ones. Then to get rid of the rest, select this bin at the top right corner. So when I do that and tap on Delete in the pop-up, as you can see, all of my selected photos were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!